5 remote flexible jobs for people over 50 in 2025. You've polished the resume, hit apply, and nothing. Meanwhile, someone half your age lands the job. Frustrating, right? Here's the thing. Companies aren't looking for buzzwords. They're looking for people who've already fixed the headaches keeping them up at night. Age isn't the problem. It's how you package the experience. Hang around. 5 real remote gigs are coming that actually pay and welcome your decades of know-how. Imagine finishing your coffee and realizing you've earned more at the kitchen table than you used to make in half a day of bumper-to-bumper traffic. That's the 2025 remote math, and your experience is the multiplier nobody's advertising. Section 1, Remote Consultant. Businesses don't need another intern with a TikTok badge. They need someone who's survived 2 recessions, 3 office moves, and the great paperclip famine of '97. Package your core skill, HR, logistics, safety, finance, into a tight project. A typical ask: unwreck our onboarding in 90 days. Pay lands between $75 and $150 an hour, part-time, on a schedule you set. Write one short LinkedIn post about the mess you solve. More often than not, the first client pings you. No ads, no cold calls. Section 2, Virtual Classroom Instructor. Teach adults online. Colleges, boot camps, and trade groups can't find enough gray-haired pros for evening Zoom classes. If you've ever trained a coworker, you qualify. Record a 3-minute intro, upload to Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable. The platform markets while you sleep. Typical royalty check after 90 days, $1,200 to $3,000 a month. Pick an evergreen topic: Excel for landlords, Medicare 101, basic retirement math, and the income snowballs every quarter. Section 3, Remote Health Coach. Insurers and hospitals hire part-timers to keep patients out of expensive ER visits. A short 20-hour certificate, under $300, satisfies most employers. No nursing degree required. Work 4-hour blocks you choose. Earn $28 to $35 an hour, plus bonuses when your clients hit goals like lower blood pressure. Work in sweats, skip the commute, and get paid to help people stay healthy. Tough to beat. Section 4, Customer Success Specialist. Forget the picture of headset misery. These days you answer emails, hop on chat, or jump into a quick Zoom to keep clients happy. CVS Health, Nestle, and dozens of SaaS startups list the role as remote first. Pay runs $22 to $30 an hour, benefits included. Tech Bar. Can you share your screen and explain a bill without yelling? If yes, you're in. Many shifts include evenings or weekends, so you can still make the grandkids' soccer game. Section 5, Freelance Resume and Profile Writer. Last, turn typo spotting into cash. Job seekers panic every January and September. You profit. Beginners charge $75 per resume. Veterans clear $250. Google Docs templates, a PayPal link, and free Zoom consults are all you need. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are crowded, but local Facebook job groups and a career counselor referral keep calendars full. One client a day equals about $1,500 a week during school hours. Which of these 5 feels tailor-made for you? Drop 1 to 5 in the comments and tell me why. I read every reply, and your story might nudge someone else off the fence. Section 6, Quick Start Toolkit. Before you go, grab the starter kit. 1. Write 1 skill sentence. I spent 28 years turning chaotic offices into profit machines. 2. Pick a playground. LinkedIn for consulting, Udemy for teaching, Flex Jobs for coaching, Indeed for customer success, Fiverr for writing. 3. Block 2 hours this week to open an account and post 1 sample or article. 4. Set a Friday reminder to apply or upload 3 gigs. Tiny scheduled beats massive, sporadic every time. If this saved you some scrolling, hit like so another frustrated 50-plus pro finds it. And hey, subscribe for weekly, no-fluff career moves that respect both your gray hairs and your wallet. Conclusion: your experience isn't obsolete, it's just waiting for the right stage. Consulting, teaching, coaching, customer success, and resume writing aren't sci-fi. They're open, they're remote, and they're hiring seasoned pros right now. Pick one, take the first tiny step this week, and next month you could be the one posting, "Rent's covered and I never left the house." See you in the comments, and remember, retirement is optional.